Best RC planes. Are you looking for the best RC planes? In this video we will look at some of the best RC planes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M. The E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M is widely regarded as the ultimate RC plane for beginners and intermediate pilots alike. With a 59-inch wingspan and advanced safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology, it sets a new standard in RC training. This aircraft isn't just a trainer, it's a complete flight system that helps new pilots learn confidently while remaining engaging as skills progress. Built on the proven Apprentice S15E platform, the STS adds modern smart electronics that provide real-time telemetry directly to compatible Spectrum transmitters. This lets you monitor battery voltage, current, and motor RPM mid-flight, giving a professional edge to your flying experience. Safe technology ensures smooth, predictable flights. Beginner mode auto-levels the plane and limits bank angles, while intermediate and experienced modes gradually increase maneuverability. Panic recovery returns the plane to level instantly if disoriented, transforming first-time nerves into confident control. Optional Safe Plus GPS compatibility unlocks autopilot-like features such as autoland and virtual fence. Durable EPO construction and wide-stance tricycle landing gear make ground handling easy, even on grass, and breakaway wings reduce damage from hard landings. With a brushless outrunner motor, smart 30A ESC, and under 1-hour assembly, the Apprentice STS balances performance and convenience. Whether you're taking your first flight or teaching a new pilot, the Apprentice STS delivers safety, reliability, and fun. With a retail price around $330, battery/charger sold separately, it's a premium trainer worth every dollar, ensuring confidence, success, and hours of enjoyable flight. Wingspan, 1,500 mm, weight, 1390 g, flight time, 10 to 15 minutes. Number 2. VOLANTEXRC TrainStar Ascent, Best Value RC Plane. The TrainStar Ascent shows that soaring with a high-quality trainer doesn't have to break the bank. Boasting a 1,400 mm, 55-inch wingspan, this budget-friendly plane delivers the stability and performance of a larger aircraft. Unlike typical foam trainers, its unibody ABS plastic fuselage resists cracks and absorbs crashes that would ruin lesser models, making it perfect for first-time pilots or youth programs. Designed for beginners and budget-conscious flyers, the Ascent handles the inevitable learning crashes with ease. Its rugged construction saves money and frustration while letting pilots focus on mastering flight. Clubs and instructors also value its durability, as one plane can survive multiple training sessions. The TrainStar Ascent is a joy to fly. Its large wing provides predictable, floaty handling, while the overgrade 4023/1050 kV brushless motor and 48 ESC deliver strong climbs and basic aerobatics. A quick connect wing system allows tool-free assembly in minutes. With 4-channel control and functional ailerons, pilots get a responsive, stable experience that grows with their skills. Key features: unibody ABS fuselage for crash resistance, 1,400 mm wingspan for excellent stability, 4023/1050 kV brushless motor with 48 ESC. Click and plug wing system for fast assembly. Gentle, predictable 4-channel flight. Specifications: wingspan, 1,400 mm, length, 1,010 mm, weight, 820 g battery, 3S 2,200 mAh LiPo, not included. Number 3. HobbyZone RC Airplane Carbon Cub S2 1.3M. Don't let the budget-friendly label fool you. The Carbon Cub S2 delivers impressive capability in a realistic 1.3M, 51-inch wingspan airframe. Designed as a short takeoff and landing STOL machine, it combines safe technology, optional GPS upgrades, and authentic bushplane performance, making it an ideal trainer that grows with you from first flights to float flying adventures. Perfect for beginners who value scale realism and long-term growth, the Carbon Cub S2 lets you experience bush flying and short field operations while enjoying confidence-building safety features. Its oversized Tundra tires let you operate from rough terrain that would ground other trainers, and the safe system ensures safe, forgiving flights while you learn. HobbyZone's Z-Foam EPO construction ensures durability without compromising scale detail. Functional slotted flaps, tricycle landing gear with steering, and float-ready provisions add versatility, while the 30A Smart ESC provides telemetry data for battery and motor performance on compatible Spectrum transmitters. Key features: safe beginner/intermediate/expert modes for safe, progressive flight. Oversized Tundra tires for rough field landings. Optional Safe Plus GPS for autoland and virtual fence. Float ready with water rudder provisions. Functional slotted flaps and telemetry capable Smart ESC. Specifications: wingspan 1,300 mm, length 865 mm, weight 913G motor, 489/60 kV brushless battery, 3S 1300 to 2200 mAh LiPo transmitter, Spectrum DXS. Number 4. VOLANTEXRC F4U Corsair. Who says beginners can't fly Warbirds? The F4U Corsair Micro RC plane proves otherwise. With a compact 400 mm, 15.7-inch wingspan and advanced Spilot 6-axis stabilization system, this traditionally tricky aircraft becomes surprisingly accessible to new pilots. Modern technology tames the classic Warbird design, giving rookies the thrill of military-style flight without the usual frustrations. Ideal for first-time pilots who want more excitement than a standard high-wing trainer, the Corsair appeals to both kids and adults drawn to military aircraft. It's perfect for low-stress Warbird flights, backyard aerobatics, or introducing beginners to RC flying with confidence. The Corsair combines authentic Warbird looks with forgiving flight characteristics. The Spilot system prevents tip stalls and snap rolls, while the one-key aerobatic function allows beginners to pull off loops and rolls effortlessly. Lightweight construction and propeller-saver design make crashes more funny than catastrophic, providing peace of mind for cautious flyers. Key features: 6-axis Spilot Euro stabilization with beginner, intermediate, expert modes. One-key aerobatics for easy stunts. Propeller saver to protect against impacts. Complete ready-to-fly RTF package. 12 to 15-minute flight times. Specifications: wingspan 400 mm, weight 60G motor, coreless with gearboxed battery, 1S 500 mAh LiPo, range 200 plus feet. Number 5. E-flite P51D Mustang 1.2M, best Warbird. The Cripes a mighty third P51D Mustang delivers the ultimate sport-scale Warbird experience. With operational split flaps, electric retractable landing gear, and the iconic 4-blade propeller, this Mustang combines authentic scale fidelity with exhilarating flight performance. AS3X stabilization, along with optional Safe Select technology, smooths out the handling while preserving the signature Mustang feel, making it accessible for pilots ready to step up from basic models. Ideal for intermediate to advanced pilots, this Warbird appeals to history enthusiasts and anyone who wants the complete scale experience. If you've mastered basic flying and crave the thrill of a full-house Warbird, the P51D is your gateway to next-level RC aviation. You'll appreciate the attention to detail, from sequenced gear doors to scale exhaust stacks. On a 3S battery, it flies with smooth, controlled grace. On 4S, it delivers powerful vertical performance for aerobatics. AS3X stabilization ensures forgiving handling, while flaps and retracts add realism and precision. Key features: functional split flaps with independent servos. Electric retracts with scale covers. AS3X stabilization with optional Safe Select. 3S/4S brushless compatible power system. Smart 70A ESC with telemetry. Specifications: wingspan 1,219 mm, length 1,065 mm, weight 1530G motor, BL 15850 kV brushless battery, 3S/4S 2200 to 3200 mAh LiPo,